Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the second part of 11th lesson. I hope you did the practice previous part, and now we will start from here, and now we will read from here and you practice with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hamza sa zabar as, sa zabar sa, assa, and the next one. Hamza sa zabar as, sa zir si, assi, and the third one. Hamza sa zabar as, sa pirsu, assu. So its sound is assa, assi, assu. Okay, and the next one. Hamza sa zir is, sa zabar sa, issa, and the next one. Hamza Sazir is, Sazir si, si, and the next one is here. Hamza Sazir is, Sabisu, isu. So earth sound is issa, issi, isu. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza Sabish us, Sazabersa, ussa, and the next one. Hamza Sabish us, Sazir si, ussi. And the third one, Hamza Sapish Us, Sapesu, Usu. So its sound is Ussa, Ussi. And the third one, Usu. Okay. And the next one, two zabar on top of Sa. Hamza Sa zabar S, Sa two zabar San, Assan. And the next one, Hamza Sa zabar S, Sa two zir Sin, Assin. Hamza Sa zabar as, satu pisun, asun. So its sound is assan, asin, and the next one asun. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza Sazir is, satu zabersan, isan, and the next one. Hamza Sazir is, satu zirsin, isin, and the next one. Hamza Sazir is, Satu Pesun, Isun. So its sound is Isan, Isin, Isun. Okay, and the next one. Hamza Sapish Us, Satu Zabersan, Ussan. And the next one. Hamza Sapish Us, Satu Zirsin, Ussin. And the next one. Hamza Sapish Us, Satu Pesun, Usun. So its sound is Usan, Usin, Usun. And the next one is here, Jim. And Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim Zabar Jam, Ajja. Hamza Jim Zabar. 1 second. Yes. Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim Zirji, Ajji. And the next one, Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim Peshju, Ajju. Okay, so its sound is Ajja, Ajji, Ajju. You practice with me. And the next one is here, Zir on the bottom of Hamza. Hamza Zir Jim H, Jim Zabar Jam, Ijja. And the next one, Hamza Zir Jim H, Jim Zir Ji, Ijji. And the next one, Hamza Zir Jim H, Jim Peshju, Ijju. So its sound is Ijja, Ijji, Ijju. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza Pesh Jim Uj, Jim Zabarja, Ujja. And the next one, Hamza Pesh Jim Uj, Jim Zirji, Ujji. And the next one is here. Hamza Pesh Jim Uj, Jim Peshju, Ujju. So its sound is Ujja, Ujji, Ujju. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim 2 Zabar Jan, Ajjan. And the next one, Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim 2 Zir Jin, Ajjin. And the third one, Hamza Jim Zabar Aj, Jim 2 Pesh Jun, Ajun. So its sound is Ajjan, Ajin, Ajun. And the last one is here. Hamza Jim Zir Ij. Jim 2 Zaberjan, Ijjan. And the next one. Hamza Jim Zir Inch. Jim 2 Zir Jin, Ijin. And the next one. Hamza Jim Zir Ij. Jim 2 Pesh Jun, Ijjun. So its sound is Ijjan, Ijin, Ijun. Okay, so your lesson has been finished now, and the next one continue to the end in the same manners, like same ways. If you read the next one, so next one is Hamza Harazir Harazaberha, like that. Okay, so you practice this lesson again by listening and watching this video. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.